Hi friends, you are watching this video. That means the window in your Mazda CX-9 is not operating properly, and that is because the motor inside your door panel has gone bad. In this video, I'll show you step by step how you can replace this motor and how you can get this window working again. So let's get started. To open this door panel, what we have to do is first we need to remove this piece from here, and there is a screw behind this. We need to remove that screw, and next thing is we need to pop this out, this panel, and there are a couple screws behind this, so we need to remove those two screws. And so once we do that, we would be able to remove this door panel from this door. So let's get started. क्लास ग्रुप बताए नहीं क्लास ग्रुप बताए नहीं ना हाँ कर दे So as you can see, the door panel is removed. Behind this door panel, this is the motor. That's the motor. We'll take it off and we'll put a new motor here, and that's it. This is a power cable connected here. We need to remove this power cable. What we have to do is this power cable is removed. So now we have replaced the motor. So let's quickly test it out if it is working or not. So the window is now working properly. So now let's put this panel back to the door. आपको दिखो? That's it. So we put the door panel back to the door and our window is now working properly. So it's So it is as easy as that. So we put the door panel back and our window is now working. So you can get this motor from the Amazon for about $25 and you can easily fix it by yourself and you can get your window working again. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it will be helpful to you.